Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to follow everyone from Instagram on Threads. This tutorial is basically adding all your Instagram moods to your threads by following them. To do that, first things first, open the Threads app on your device. Tap on the profile button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, navigate to the Followers tab. By doing this, it will take you to a new page where you can see all your followers, the people you are currently following, and any pending follow request. In here, what you are going to do is to tap on the Following tab to see the list of people you are following on Instagram. To see the full list, click on the See All option. So now, after clicking it, you can see all of the people you are following on IG but not on Threads. To follow all of them on Threads, simply press the Follow All button. Doing this, it will not take you any longer to follow your moods on Instagram to Threads. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now follow everyone from Instagram on Threads. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.